I'm Dr. Jennifer Flo with Ankle and Foot Care Centers, and today I'm going to talk with you about different ways of lacing up your shoe. Different ways of lacing the shoes can really help with pain due to a high arch, pain due to a bunion, slipping up and down in the heel area, pain on your big toe, and discomfort from having a wide foot. Start by lacing the shoe as usual, but instead of crisscrossing over the place that hurts, you lace vertically to avoid the painful spot. And then you just continue to lace in the crisscross fashion. Now this technique is for people with a wide forefoot. Now that means that the front part of their foot is wider than the back part. So for instance, people with bunions tend to have a wider forefoot. You start out going horizontally across the first two eyelets, and then instead of going crisscross, you go vertically up one or two eyelets, depending on what feels most comfortable. When you get up near the middle part of the foot, you can crisscross them. For the heel lock lacing technique, you lace it normally up until the last two eyelets on each side. Then, instead of going crisscross, you create a vertical loop in the last two eyelets. Now you've got two loops on each side. Then you take one shoelace, take it through the opposite side loop, and then you take the opposite and put it through that loop, and you've created a locking technique to prevent the shoe from slipping up and down on your heel. So if you're feeling pressure on your big toe in your shoe while running or walking, this can help relieve that pressure. Start in the eyelet closest to your big toe, and you put it through diagonally up to the highest eyelet on the opposite side. Then you take the longer end near your big toe, you go across horizontally, and then up diagonally. And now this long diagonal piece will pull the shoe away from your big toe. For a shoe that feels too tight all the way back, so you take your laces and you go across, and then you go straight across with the same lace. Those were just a few of the ways you can lace your shoes to solve common problems. If you have any questions about these shoe lacing techniques or any other questions about foot pain or shoe issues, please come and see us at Ankle and Foot Care Centers.